Hi guys, I know a lot of you are frustrated about enabling voice chat, but in this video, I'm only going to show the method that actually works in 2025. This is the easiest way to enable voice chat in Roblox 2025 guide, step-by-step full method. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Instead of wasting time, I'm already logged into Roblox. You should go to roblox.com/home as well. Now, on the top right corner, there will be a settings icon. Click on it. Then go to Settings. Once you're here, there's something important you need to understand. First, check whether the voice chat option is even available or not. To check this, go to the Privacy and Content Maturity section from the left-hand menu. Then go to the Communication tab. This tab controls how you talk or chat with other players. You can choose who you want to talk to, like everyone, just friends, or no one. Now, if you don't see the voice chat option here, then it's important to understand what steps you need to take next. Next, go to the Account Info tab. Now, what I'm going to explain is very important if you want to enable voice chat in 2025. First, if your age is under 13, you won't get the voice chat option. Second, if your phone number is verified, then you might get the voice chat option. But if your phone number can't be verified or your country isn't supported, then you'll need to verify your age using a government-issued ID. To verify your age, press the Verify My Age button. Once it loads, click on Begin Verifying. This step asks you to choose your country, so Roblox knows what kind of ID you'll use. It's part of proving your real age using a government-issued ID. Choose your correct country, and then press Select. Now you'll see the Upload a Photo ID screen. This means you need to take a clear photo of your government-issued ID and send it to Roblox to prove your age. I'm selecting a Visa, but you can choose whatever ID you have. Then take a clear photo of the front side of your ID card. Roblox uses this to check your name, photo, and age for verification. If it asks for the back side of the ID, then upload that too. Only after doing this, your voice chat may get enabled. So that's how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. If your voice chat got enabled, make sure to comment yes down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.